linear combination of atomic orbital. LCAO, linear combination of atomic orbital. According to this theory, when atomic orbitals are mixed, then molecular orbital is obtained. In linear combination of atomic orbitals, there are two to overlap the atomic orbitals, either by symmetricity or by asymmetricity. Symmetricity means having the same sign, and asymmetricity means having the opposite sign. So if atomic orbitals overlap to each other on the basis of same geometrical sign, then bonding molecular orbital BMO, bonding molecular orbital is obtained. On other hand, if geometrical signs are opposite, then anti-bonding molecular orbitals are obtained. According to valence bond theory, electrons associated with individual atoms, but in molecular orbital theory, entire electrons revolve around all the nuclei. So now description for LCAO. When atomic orbitals are overlapped to each other, molecular orbital is obtained. If same geometrical sign overlap, then bonding molecular orbital that is BMO is obtained. While anti-bonding molecular orbital if opposite geometrical sign are involved. Suppose two atoms A and B form the molecule AB. The let wave function of A is psi A and wave function for B is psi B. Then wave function for the molecular orbital will be psi AB. Psi A plus psi B is equal to psi AB. If sign of A and B are similar, psi plus A plus psi minus B, then psi AB star, that is ABMO, anti-bonding molecular is obtained, or psi A negative and psi B positive. Then wave function of molecular orbital psi AB will be anti-bonding molecular orbital. Psi A plus psi B plus, then psi AB. This is bonding molecular orbital BMO. Or psi minus A plus psi minus B, psi AB, BMO. Now let us consider it on the basis of sigma and pi bond. Sigma bond is obtained due to axial overlapping of atomic orbitals. The axial overlapping of atomic orbital is of the two types. Either same sign will involve or opposite sign will involve. So thus, two types of molecular orbital would be possible in such case. The formation of sigma bond is due to sharing of electron in sigma molecular orbital, and formation of sigma molecular orbital is of the two types, either by same sign or by opposite geometrical sign. Similarly, due to parallel overlapping of atomic orbitals, pi bond is obtained. So for pi bond, sharing should be done in pi molecular orbital. The formation of pi molecular orbital is of the two types, either by parallel overlapping of same geometry or by parallel overlapping of opposite geometry. So now let us consider it step by step. Pz plus Pz, it will provide sigma bond. The formation of sigma is of the two types. Suppose it is our origin. The sign right of origin is taken as positive and sign opposite or left of the origin is taken as negative. Pz plus, if we rotate this at 180, under this consideration it will be positive, it will be negative. If we rotate this at 180, then sign will be as, after rotation. So here during overlapping, same geometrical sign will overlap. This is sigma and it is BMO, bonding molecular orbital. According to sign convention, right of origin positive, left of origin negative. If we rotate this at 180, after rotation at 180, here same geometrical sign will overlap, minus minus. It will be also the case of sigma, bonding molecular orbital BMO. By this manner, if face-to-face overlap will occur, then opposite sign plus of one lobe and minus of another lobe will overlap, will meet to each other. Sigma molecular orbital will also form here due to face-to-face overlapping, but this will be case of anti-bonding molecular orbital because opposite geometrical sign involved here. Sigma star, that is ABMO, anti-bonding molecular orbital. This may be also written as negative, positive after rotation of 180. After rotation of 180, direction of lobe will be changed. This will be also the case of sigma, but sigma star, that is AB amount. Similarly, S orbital, shape of S orbital is spherical. It will be sigma. So here minor is also of the two types, plus VE, plus VE, or minus VE after rotation of 180. Minus VE, negative, after rotation of 180. In both the case, same geometry will overlap. So this will be case of sigma, that is bonding molecular orbital. And if opposite geometry of the both S orbital will overlap, then we will get sigma star, that is AB amount, anti-bonding molecular orbital. Center of sphere positive side, plus center of sphere positive side, here negative. In this case, opposite geometrical sign will overlap to each other. We will get sigma here, but sigma star, that is AB. Now in the case of pi bond, Px plus Px pi. The formation of pi is of the two types, either by overlapping of same geometrical sign or by overlapping of opposite geometrical sign. Above the origin along upward direction, positive, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative. So here parallel overlapping will occur, pi bond will form. If same geometrical sign will overlap, the pi bonding molecular orbital is obtained. Pi bonding molecular orbital BM. And if opposite geometrical signs are involved, then we will get pi star, that is anti-bonding molecular orbital. Positive, negative, positive, negative. If we rotate this at 180, direction will be changed. So by this manner, if overlapping will occur by this manner, then opposite sign plus of one minus of another will overlap to each other. Here we will get anti-bonding pi molecular orbital pi star ABM. So when atomic orbitals are overlapped to each other, bonding molecular orbital and anti-bonding molecular orbitals both are obtained simultaneously.